So before we start our class, let's have a short prayer. May I request everyone to please stand so we acknowledge the presence of our Heavenly Father. So for this Roman Catholic, please make sign of the cross. And also for those who are Roman Catholic, you can also a silent prayer. So let's start. Okay, amen. Before you take your seats, please pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and arrange properly. Okay, thank you. So, good morning, class. How are you today? Okay, very good. So, it seems we have a perfect attendance this morning. Okay, keep up the good work, everyone. So, before we start our class, let me introduce to you our classroom rules. So, those rules should be followed. So, first rule, be quiet when the teacher is talking. And second, put things away and keep your area neat. And the third one is respect others. Be kind with your words and actions. And the next one is when someone else is talking, please listen. And lastly, raise your right hand if you have a question or if you want to answer. That's clear. Okay, thank you. Next we have our incentive chart. We will use this chart to track your participation and performance during our class discussions. The goal is to motivate everyone to participate actively, communicate respectfully, and show teamwork in our group discussions. We have a category description for our points. For active description, you can gain 2 points. And for respectful communications, you can also gain 1 point. And for sharing this responsibility, you can gain 2 points. And for the correct answer, your score may vary to your question. And for exceptional collaboration, you can gain 3 points. And last one, for the innovation solutions, you can also gain 3 points. So, is that clear, class? Okay, thank you. Before we proceed to our class discussions this morning, let's have a recall of what is your previous lesson that Miss Belias discussed to you. Yes? Okay, thank you. That's very good. Now, who can give me the formula of union intersection cell? Yes? Thank you very much. Okay, very good. It seems you can still remember your previous topic class meeting. Before we proceed, let's have a short game. So this game called Don't Touch the Color. May I group you into 3 groups? And for the group 1, you can sit here, and group 2 here, and group 3 there. For the category of this game, who can touch the color will be going to disqualify. And who can win this game can gain this prize. You want this prize, class? Yes, thank you. You also won. So be cooperate for our game. So, for the group 1, group 2, group 3, may I call your representative, please? Okay, thank you. Here's your prize, everyone. So, how's the game? Okay, it was exciting. Yes, thank you. So now, let me introduce to you our new topic this morning. So our topic this morning is measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. So before that, may I call someone to please read our objectives? Thank you. So our objective is at the end of the lesson, students should be able to define the three properties of ungrouped data. Yeah. And for the next is solve the given problem of mean, median, and mode. And for the last one, show the solution of your answer during our group activities. Okay. So before that, let's have a short activity. So I will group you into 3 groups. Let's first count here. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Okay. For the group 1, you can sit there, and group 2 there, and also the group 3 is there. So, under your chair, I put some of your activity sheets. You can also get, and you can start your activity. I only give you 5 minutes to finish those activity. So, the time will start now. Okay, time is up. How did you find the activity? Yeah, it was exciting. Yes, thank you. What is easy to find to you, the words, class? So now, let's define what is measure of central tendency of ungrouped data by completing the sentence. For the group, for our next activity, which is complete me, so you can also get the answer for the activity 1. For the activity 2, you can compile the words you find first in the activity 1. So time start now. Time is up. Okay. Thank you. Okay, so now let us proceed to our discussions this morning. So first we have a group data. So yes, you can read this one. Thank you. So, group data is the data you first gather from experiment or study. Yes. And for the next is, yes. Okay, thank you. So, for the group data, are data formed by aggregating individual observations of a variable into a group so that a frequency distribution of those groups serve as a convenient means of summarizing or analyzing the data. Thank you. So for the measure of central tendency, yes, you can read this one. Thank you. So a measure of central tendency is a data set can be characterized by a measuring of a central tendency. A measure of central tendency commonly refers to as a average. Is a single value that represents a data set. It is purpose is to locate the center of the data set. Yes. So we have a formula of mean. The formula of mean is sum of all the data divided by the number of scores. Yes, thank you. So the next one is we have a mean. Yes, class, you can read. Okay, thank you. So for the mean is, or average is the most commonly used measure of central tendency. It is defined as the sum of all data score divided by the number of scores. Yes, that's correct. And for the properties of mean, may I request someone to please read? Okay, thank you. So for the number one, we have a set of data has a commonly one mean. For the number two, we have a mean can be applied for interval and ratio data. And the next one is all values in the data set are included in computing the mean. For the number four, the mean is very useful in computing two or more data sets. And number five is mean is affected by the extreme small or large values on a data set. And the last one, the means cannot be computed for the data in a frequency distribution in an open-ended class. Okay. So the next one is we have a median. So for the median, may I request someone to please read this one? Yes? Okay, thank you. You can take your seat. So, median, it is a middle value. To find the median, we have to follow the rule. The rule is arrange the data in order from the less to greatest. As the properties of median, first, the median is unique. There is only one median for a set of data. Is that correct? The next one is, the median is founded by arranging the data set from lowest as greatest. Yes, that's correct. And for the next is, median is not affected by the stream, small or large value. And the next one is median can be computed for an open-ended frequency distribution. Yes. And the last one is median can be applied for ordinal internal and ratio data. So is that clear? Okay, thank you. And next ones, we have a mode. So may I put the enchanted here? So for mode, yes? Oh, okay, you can read this one. Okay, thank you very much. So, the properties of mode is we have 5. So first, the mode is found by the locating the most frequently accurating value. And number 2, the mode is the easiest average to compute. Yes, exactly. And number 3, there can be more than one mode or even no mode in any given data set. Yes. And for the number 4, and number 4, mode is not affected by the extreme small or large value. And number 5, the last one, mode can be applied for nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio data. So, first, I have here examples of median. I might mistake the example of mean rather. It's too hard to call this one. So for the examples of mean, yes, may I request someone to please read this one? Okay, thank you. So examples of mean. So the 5 judges give their scores on a performance of a gymnastics as followed by 8, 9, 9, 9, and 10 to find the mean scores of gymnastics. So this is the solutions. So as we said, you can write first the formula of mean. So mean is equal to sum of all the data divided by the number of score. Yes. So we have here a data. So 8, 9, so 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 and plus 10. So divided by 5. So 5, it is, we have a 5 given data. So 8 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 10 is equal to 45. 45 divided by 5 is equal 9. So therefore, the mean score of a gymnastic is 9. Yes. So for the examples of median, I have also here. So for the median, yes, you can read this one, class. Okay, thank you. So the daily rates of a sample of 8 employees at GSM INC are 550, 220, 560, 570, 670, and 860, and also 480. So, to find the median daily rates of employees, here's a solutions. So, as I said, the median, to find the median, you arrange it in order from the highest to, from the lowest to highest. So, as you can see, the given data is too messy. So before that, you can arrange the data in order as this one. So the total number of scores we have is 8. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, since we have no median to see, so we can solve this one. So, 550 and 560, since to find the median, we can solve these two given data. So, e plus 1 divided by 2 is 4.5 feet. The median is 550 plus 560 is equal to 555 divided by 2. So, therefore, our median is 555. Is that clear? Okay, thank you. So, we have a last examples. So, our last examples, we have a mode. I can put also. So, example of mode is consider the height in inches of 10 basketball players as a followed of 70, 70, 71, 71, 72, and 75. The mode is 72. This implies that the most frequency high among the 10 basketball players is 72 inches. So, why is 72 inches? Because the 72 is the most frequency distributions in this given data. Okay, thank you. Now I will going to give a simple questions. Okay, so first question is what are the measure of central tendency distributions? Yes. Okay, thank you very much. So the next one is what is the formula of mean? Yes. Thank you. And the third question is what is mean? Yes. Okay, thank you. And the last is what is median? And the last question is what is mode? Okay, it's very simple questions, right? Okay, very good. Now let's have a group activity so that you can apply the knowledge that you can gain from our these questions this morning. Okay, with the same groups, each groups will be assigned with different tasks to perform in this regards multiple intelligence of the learners are being evaluated. So for the each groups, for the group 1, your activity will be inside in your envelope and also the group 2 and group 3. So for our, we have a criteria here. So you can follow this one as you can answer. I will only give you a 5 minutes to finish your activities. The time starts now. Okay, time is up. Thank you. So the first presenters, we have a group 1. So who is your representative in your group? Okay, thank you. For the group 1, you can gain 3 points as I observe. And for the respectful communications, I give the 2 points for the group 1. And for the correct answers, the group 1 gain a correct solutions for their activity. I will give them 3 points. And for the occupational collaborations, group 1, I will give you a 2 points. And for the innovation solutions, I will also give group 1 a 3 points. You can total your points, please. And the next group is the group 2. Okay, for the active participations, group 2, I will give you a 3 points. And for the respectful communications and sharing responsibility, I will give you a 2 and 1 point. And for the correct solution for your activity, you can also gain 3 points. Okay, you can also total your points. And the last group is, we have a group 3. And for the active participations, group 3 may gain 3 points also. And for their sharing their ideas, I will give you 2 points. And for the correct solutions of your activity, group 3 has gained 3 points. For the respectful communications, some of there may I observe not cooperative. I will give you a 2 points only. So group 3, can you total your points, please? Okay, thank you. Okay, now, cite at least one examples where we can apply the concept of measure of central tendency of ungrouped data. Okay, yes? Okay, exactly. That's correct. Thank you. So to sum up the lessons that we have tackled today, I will ask you regarding our topic. So first questions I have is, what are the 3 measures of central tendency? Okay, thank you. That's correct. We have a mean, median, and mode. And for the next questions, what is the rule to find the mean, median, and mode? Okay, thank you by arranging the data. So now, let's have a quiz. For your quiz, I will give you a questionnaire. I will give you 5 minutes to finish this one. Okay, can you distribute this quiz? Okay, you can start now. Okay, thank you.